Bsban is a project company that develops bespoke interior architecture projects, original furniture designs, and industrial products for both corporate and individual clients, managing the processes of design, production, and implementation. With over 35 years of experience, Bsban carries out the entire process of design, project management, production, and installation in-house, supported by its professional team of interior architects, engineers, and designers. With its 8,000 square meter production facility in Istanbul, a team of 250 specialized production and implementation professionals, and the support of its partners in the United States, Italy, Germany, and Turkey, it currently provides services to more than 20 countries worldwide. Bsban's approach goes beyond simply producing designs. It is about managing ideas, materials, details, and implementation within a single integrated system. Across all stages, design, production, implementation, and after-sales support, the company adopts a holistic approach that combines aesthetics, functionality, and compliance with regional standards. For Bsban, design is only the beginning. The real value lies in transforming it into reality with precision and excellence. This philosophy is realized through trust-based collaborations, meticulously managed processes, and a forward-looking vision that closely follows industry trends.